We're working on a cozy corner for California and their wildfires.
Our class is making a comfort corner for the people in Los Angeles that have been through the fire.
We're gonna send them like toys,
Blankets, Legos,
stuffies,
coloring sheets.
We're making stuff and putting it in a box to send to them so they don't feel like alone in the fire.
Our families are working to donate them to the schools.
My class did this to make everyone feel happy and make them feel welcome.
We went through the fire and it was a big deal for a lot of us. Some of us lost our homes, and we don't want other people to feel the pain that we went through.
I just want to help them forget about some sad stuff, so we're trying to help them.
We decided we can make a solution and help the kids out going through the fires.
It's important to support others because then they feel much better about themselves and what they just went through.
It's kind and it really makes others' feelings really change.
I hope you guys feel better.
When we're giving them, it feels like we're giving them our love.
Yeah.